Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm going to show you how to open up the chest using a Gua Sha tool. And the reason I'm using a Gua Sha tool right now is because I've already done massage on my chest with my fingers. But now I'm going to work on superficial layers and digging out the tight fascia, which is the layer of connective tissue that's underneath the skin. And that tight fascia has little striations and bands in it that they're like little ridges that you can feel, and you might even be able to hear. Listen. So if I take this Gua Sha tool and I start at the middle and work out, see that? Start in the middle and work out. And release all that tightness, because tightness, it's constricted, it's shorter. And when your body, it can't open up because of that constriction. It's not just the muscles, it's also that fascia underneath the skin. This is an ancient Chinese tool called a Gua Sha tool, G-U-A-S-H-A. And you can buy them on Amazon or online, and I recommend the ones that are made out of stone or horn, cow horn. This one is jade, and it's got fingered tools too. Okay. Just work it. And I've noticed that these little striations are a lot less pronounced since I stopped eating mass-produced organic chicken. All I'm eating now is wild fish, mostly salmon, and organic eggs. But most of the time I'm eating beans, just plant-based meals. Especially now that Chakra's gone, I'm not tempted to eat all the fish that I was feeding her, and it's easier for me. It's kind of one of the things with living with someone or something, an animal, that you know, you're trying to feed them, but it's influencing you. Now, if there's built up gunk underneath your skin, there's also built up gunk in other places in your body, in your arteries, in your veins, in your tissues. That's why we need to strive towards eating a cleaner and cleaner and cleaner diet. So when I say clean, I'm talking about vegetables and fruits. They don't have very much fat or mucus in them. So the more we can eat those foods, the more it'll clean out our bodies. So I want to thank you so much for joining me.